Okay, this is a 2018 Dodge Ram 3500 diesel. How to reset the oil life. You're going to turn the ignition on. And it says oil change required. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit this left button, the bottom right button. You hit that once or twice, and that'll pop up, and you'll scroll down to vehicle info, down, and then hit the right button, top right, and that's what pops up. You can scroll through a whole bunch of things by going up and down. There's the fuel filter life, there's the oil life, and it says to hold this top right button down to reset. So we'll hold that down. Oh, and there it is, 100%. And then I did the fuel filters as well. So I'll scroll down to that and hold the top right button. And yes. So scroll down, yes. And there you go. All set.